Hi, this is Pete Alanya again with EliteHarnessRacing.com, and this is another video showing how to put on a tire or remove a tire. It's pretty simple actually. The most important thing is to have the right tools. These are tire levers. This is the only way to change tires in my opinion, and many others. First you take your inner tube, insert your valve stem, and what I do is I take the tire and I cross it. Kind of gets it out of the way for now. Take your tire, seat it under your tube, and then feed the bottom part onto your rim. Now once you work it around until you get to the top, most of the time the first one you can get on by hand. If you need to, you take your tool and pop it over, but the first one, generally your first bead is pretty easy to get on. Okay, once you have your first bead on, then you unfold your tube, feed it inside. Okay, once you've done that, then you start on the bottom down by your valve stem and you set your bead inside the rim. Make sure you work it around the bottom. Okay, real easy. Now here's the tricky part. Now you're going to start working it to the top. So go ahead and work your tire, set it in. Okay. Now this is the most important part. You want to make sure your inner tube's not in the way. Okay, once you've pushed this up with your fingers as far as you can, then you take your tire lever, put it under your tire, and just pop it over. Real simple. Okay, now it's more of a problem to remove these tires, so I'm going to show you the correct way to do it. Basically, you would say have a flat tire, so you'd be right where you're at now. So put your wheel on a flat surface. As you can see, this one happens to have the hub removed, but just for demonstration purposes, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take, let me adjust the camera here, you're going to want to take your tire lever and get under your bead. And the best thing to do is put it up against a surface where you can get a grip on it. So, for example, you would push this down, get under the bead of your tire, and then pop that over. Okay, the best way to do this is take two of them, about 3 inches apart. Try to grab the bead that's nearest only. Now, as you can see, I've got about 3 inches of the tire pulled out. Okay, remove one of your tire levers, move it over about 2 to 3 inches, and then keep working that bead out. Okay, once you have this, once you have your tire about 12 inches off, if you have a bad inner tube, if your inner tube's no good and you know it, just go ahead and pull your inner tube out. And this will also break the bead that's left holding your tire on. And that's it. Pull your old tube out. Okay. And then if you want to leave if your tire's still good, you know it's clean in here, you can just go ahead, take another inner tube, put your valve stem in, then work your tire back on, put your inner tube back in, and so forth. That's how you change a flat tire. Thanks again. Please feel free to visit us at EliteHarnessRacing.com.